Kung si Jan, agad-agad. No winning back. Yes. Yes, agad kay James.
But other than that, he's
No, you
other than
speak in
that,
English.
he's nice. I mean, he's just a down to
Yeah.
earth, simple guy, and
Can you say that you're actually in some ways misunderstood also, like your character in the movie?
am I misunderstood?
Yes, in real life.
Yeah, very. I feel.
Oh. Puro sound effects lang. Okay, moving on. What were your preparations for your roles? Kasi 'di ba, you mentioned earlier na medyo yung drama, mas intense yung drama dito sa film compared to your other films. So how did you prepare?
Syempre, yung una we read the book.
Mhm.
We had workshops. Syempre, mas kailangan. Kasi we're used to, rom-com.
Mm.
For me, kasi drama is, hindi naman super hirap, pero may struggle in doing drama. Kasi I'm a very, positive person. Ayoko nang ayoko nang nabibiv. Ganun. So, mahirap for me na humugot. So, yan, tinuruan na ako
So,
ng
workshop.
techniques.
Yeah.
Workshops.
Si James.
Me, Tagalog workshops because my character here only Tagalog. There's no English, so that was really hard for me. Also, I had to get spray tan, as in like my whole body was sprayed
Yeah.
to get me darker.
Oh,
Yeah.
isa na naman yun sa
So even
aabangan.
even after taping, I'd go home and then have to go to a show.
Yeah.
I'd be like really dark.
Oo. Ayan, isa na naman yan dyan, di ba? Oo, naabangan. Tan. Oo, tan na James. At nagtatagalog na James. Di ba? Tingnan natin yan. So, sa buong pelikula, Tagalog lang yung
Mhm.
sinasabi mo. Oo. Di
Except
ba?
maybe I love you, something like that.
Mga ilang takes yan. Gusto ko yan, yung question na yan.
No, I usually get it in one take.
Wow!
Galing na siya magtagalog.
Proud. Proud. Oo. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Oo. I'm sure yung mga fans natin mas naging excited ngayon because of those details na panoorin. Oo. Hindi lang ibang, oo. Tama? Sagot. What do you think daw is the edge of Para sa Hopeless Romantic as compared sa other films na love din ng theme? Of course, marami na 'di ba ang mga pelikula na love, pinag-uusapan ng love. Ang mga characters nagbe-break, may relationship, but sa movie nyo, ano yung edge of your film? What's the difference?
For me, this one it's like they go through so much. Like it's like so many obstacles in this film, and every one of them people can relate to.
Like, parang lahat sila merong sariling Di naman problema, pero parang
Kwento.
lahat sila sariling kwento.
Yes.
May isang character dito na yung may gusto siya, pero ayaw naman sa kanya.
Yeah.
Meron dito na, like yung kay Inigo, torpe, parang nahiya siyang sabihin kay Maria, which is si Julia, yung feelings niya. Si Maria naman, parang takot magmahal kasi natatakot masaktan. Tapos yun, meron naman dito yung parang wala lang. Wala lang.
Carefree lang
Ganun
siya.
lang. Tsaka ito kasi, according to Marcelo, it's based on a true story. Yung characters naming dalawa ni James, meron daw talagang couple daw talaga yan sa PUP na nag-uusap daw sila dun sa armchair. Sa
So
sa
may
table.
pinanggalingan.
May pinanggalingan
But yeah,
gali
it's
siya.
it's a real love story,
Yes.
like a secret love story, and we're able to share it with everyone.
Baka naman yung talagang in real life, pag napanood niya to, magulat siya. Oo. Baka ako pala yun. Taga-PUP. Kwento ko pala yun, ginawa na nilang film. Yes. Hindi ko alam. Personally daw, ano daw yung maipapayo nyo? Since napagdaanan nyo, syempre, yung parang problema ng mga characters nyo, yung journey ng mga characters nyo dito sa film. Personally, ano yung maipapayo nyo sa mga fans nyo na hopeless romantic? What advice could you give them?
Sabihin mo kasi negative na naman ako eh.
No.
Ay, wait.
Go ahead.
Ikaw muna. Go. Ay, want me to go first?
Yeah, go.
Wag ko comment Well, kasi, based on experience, kung hopeless romantic kayo, easily for yung mga sweet nothings, yung mga bola and all that, yung mga sweet gestures, ganon.
Dadaan sa bola.
Nanggaling na kasi ako doon. So, though yes, it's really, it's flattering, nakakakilig, and all that. Wag mo nang agad-agad mafo-fall, I guess. Ingat, ingat.